Hey everyone, this is Arun and welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing very well. So today in this video, I'm discussing about an automated attendance form which tracks and keeps the record of attendance for every employee. So here we have a simple form and it's very easy to use this Excel file. We have all here, we have drop downs and then you just need to select the dates from this one. So let's say this one is an year. I'm just selecting any year, then the month, then date, the day, which is on automatic. So if I select 22, it will be Friday. So this is populating automatically. Then company name. So for reference, I put C1, C2, C3. You can put any company name customized. I mean, the valid company names. Just for this video, I use this one. Then the labor nickname. This one as well, I make it um, a dummy names. So I just put A1 here. Then in this box, in this cell, we have present, absent. So these all are the values. Let's say I want to select present for this employee, Arun, which is Arun. So if I select, I fill all these information here. And I'm clicking on the submit button. And if I going back to the attendance sheet, all the details of this employee has been filled over here. And of course, for 22nd, it marked as green with present. Now here, total present equals to 1. Now let's say for 23, I'm doing another entry for absent. So for this employee, he was absent on this day. So I'm selecting A here and clicking on submit button. Now in the attendance sheet, I can see here for 23rd of this month, it has marked as absent. And moreover, the present remains same. Now we have a facility of adding another employee details as well. So if I want to choose another employee entry, I just select the labor nickname as the another nickname and their name will appear automatically. Now this employee name is Alex and I want to make the entry, let's say he has joined on 26th and I'm marking his entry as present on this day. I'm clicking on entry submit button, then all the details for Alex has been arrived here. And if you can see here, 26th is marked as present and his total present is 1 right now. Now again, I'm making an entry. So now we have an additional criteria here. I mean, features here for providing the overtime of the employees. So let's say if this employee has put hours on he worked 2 hours on 27th, so we can select P2. I just put P1, P2, P3, something like that. So P2 means 2 hours. I put P2 here and I'm selecting and I'm clicking on submit button. Now for 27th is P2, which means present and given 2 overtime hours. The total overtime is calculated as 2 and present as 2 because 2 presents are there. And then total attendance calculation is 2.25. It's based on my custom calculations. We can change, but we can change over if you need some customizations. Now let's say we have another, or maybe we have 5 overtime hours for this employee on another day. So I pick up P5 and I pick up the another day that is 28th. I'm clicking on this submit button and if you can see here P5 has been updated here in green color. Then total overtime is 5 plus 2 equals to 7, which is 7 overtime hours, and total present is 3, which is 3 presents. So this is a very easy and simple to use tool for employee attendance and labor attendance. So you can make all the entries over here, and we have a similar form here for payroll as well. So once we fill out all the entries over here, all the entries will captured here. For example, I'm just making one entry over here for Jones. Now this new entry has been added over here. And of course, we have certain criteria over here. This is amount, which is 100. And we have account means account, and PP, which is a phone pay. I mean, if he has make a phone balance, so it's a kind of abbreviations I have used, which is a customized based on some customer, and he was using account. If he has make the payment on account, so he will be using AC for that, and if he has make the payment for in their phone using mobile banking or something like say like that, so you will be using PP for that one. And the another option they have provided as CA, which is cash. So here on that particular day, that entry will be made, and we have last total by cash, total by phone, and total by account. So they will be added automatically over here according to the entry we are doing here. So it's very simple and easy to use. Let me do one another entry. Let's say I put cash entry. I guess I made another entry. Oh yes, cash. So for another day, let's say I put 10th, which is on Friday, and for the same employee, I'm making an entry of 1,000 rupees. 1,000. I'm clicking on submit button. Then on the payroll, I put 1,000 CA because it's in green color, so we can just justify which is our cash and which is our own payment and which is our total account payment. So we can see here total back cash is automatically updated, and total becomes 1100. If I make more entries over here, they will automatically get captured and summed, and our dashboard is updated. So this is all for this video. I hope you like this video and this whole Excel attendance and payroll tracker, which is using Excel formulas and VBA. So it eases the format of attendance. And if you require this Excel, you can just reach me out over my email address. I will be sharing you in the description part of this video, so you can reach me out over by my email address or my WhatsApp number as well. So both of the details I will be soon sharing over the description part of this video. And if you like, if you want any customizations, or if you want some help to understand this from more better way, you can directly reach me out as well for that one as well, and we can discuss over Zoom or some Google Meet. So thanks for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed this video by taking the information of how we can make our attendance and payroll very easy and effective. So thanks for watching this video, and I hope we will be having a talk soon for any customization, or if you think any feedback you would like to make on this one in more better way, it would be more appreciated. So thank you, and have a great day. We'll talk soon. Bye.